Hi, everybody, and welcome to this group which Sneha and me have created. Welcome to Grow with Head Ahead. Now, actually, I was just going to do a text introduction on the group, and then I gave it a thought. I said, I didn't want to just do a plain text introduction. Let me just go in front of the camera and speak to all of you directly. Now, many of you guys on this group know me, and many of them don't. So, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Piyush Sandhane, and I'm a purpose driven brand strategist. I help businesses and people build meaningful brands. Now, I'm an author, speaker, and a mentor, and I own another brand called Aimfully, but that we'll keep it for another day. At Head Ahead, along with Sneha, I work as a consultant, as a brand custodian, and also as a friend, where you can just discuss with me about branding strategy and how to align marketing and sales. Now, while me and Sneha were, brainstorming about this group, we wanted to have something very, very, dynamic. And while coming up with names, we thought of many, but Grow with Head Ahead was an apt name. Now, if you look at the name Grow, it is like an acronym. So I love acronyms, and I kind of related to it. Now, G stands for giving. Now, this group is all about, sharing and giving more from your side. R stands for receiving. Now, if you give, you are definitely going to receive. So there is a healthy exchange out there. O is opportunities and options. So, guys, we all are in this community to provide opportunities to each other and also give better options, so that whoever is kind of at a point where requires something in their business or in their professional life, they get options from us. And W simply stands for way forward. It's also in the name, by the way. So head ahead always also says head ahead, and W stands for way forward. So whatever we do in this group will be forward thinking and forward looking. So I welcome you all to this group again, and I really want to tell you that I know this group is filled with dynamic entrepreneurs, consultants, professionals, and experts from their own field. So what we were also thinking, when me and Sneha were thinking, we thought, let's not make it just like a exchange platform for business and referrals. Yes, that's always going to be there, because that's what groups are for. But we also thought of making these groups, this group rather, more like a place where you get insights from books, some reviews from books, some good videos, where not only us as administrators share something, but you guys also share with everyone around. We are also looking forward to have virtual meetups, where we take up a topic and then we come up together and discuss and brainstorm together, and some creative engagements probably you have not done before. Along with that, we are planning to have some guest interviews and people from other functional areas sharing their side and sharing their mind with us. Now, you could be one of our guests. I mean, that's how it is. So I just want to say that I look forward to you guys having active engagement, active participation, not just being passive consumers of content, and helping us build a growing and a thriving community with Head Ahead. Now, if you don't know what Sneha does, so I'm just going to be swiping up and Sneha will be here and sharing about herself. Looking forward to meeting you guys. Bye.
Hey guys, my name is Sneha, and thank you Piyush for beautifully explaining what Head Ahead is all about, and what this group that we are introducing ourselves to stands for. So while Piyush has explained his area of expertise, let me also in brief explain about how I contribute to Head Ahead. Some of you know me from years, some of you know me from recent past, some of you may not know too much about me. So let me explain you what exactly I do. I have about 10 years of experience into HR. I do strategic HR consulting with MSME, startups and independent professionals also. I bring together and align the strategic aspect of business to people and processes. Framing policies, performance management, KRAs, performance monitoring, training and development, everything that is related to HR, recruitments also, is basically what my contribution is into Head Ahead. Specific to this group, Piyush has explained what this group is all about and how we all collectively can grow together. Let me also give you a brief about what this group is not. So this group is not about networking at all, wherein we are cross-selling and promoting each other's businesses. This group does not encourage that at all. What this group will encourage definitely is a lot of brainstorming, sharing of ideas. You can introduce yourself and how can you add value to the group and in the lives of other people, because that we are also will be doing with a lot of our initiatives. So keeping that in mind, there are certain ground rules which are laid out. You can see them in the description box of the WhatsApp group. And collectively we aim to grow in this year and in future, and let's see what future has in store for us. So looking forward to long term and a meaningful association with you all. Cheers.